Oh, I forgot to do an after video. You know, fans. Alright, here's the startup of my 2011 Goodman air conditioner on the second day of summer. I actually thought this was the first day of summer at first, but turns out it's actually the second. So, I actually should have done a startup video of my Cool King window air conditioner for the first day of summer. Still need to do an update video on that, and a startup. But in the meantime, here's a startup and shutdown. Well, here's the startup of my Goodman air conditioner. It's not all that warm out right now. It's probably like 68, 67. And it's uncomfortable and very hot in the house right now. So we figured to turn on the air conditioner. Big ass spider right there. Right there. If you can see it. So yeah, here's the Goodman. We're running on a cool night. Cool evening, more like it. On Father's Day, actually. I'd point that out there. Big things. Go ahead and show the air handler. Haven't showed that in a while. Here's the good old Goodman air handler. Turn on a few more lights to make it easier to see. 3-ton Goodman air handler from 2011. It's lukewarm. And the suction line isn't actually cold. At all. It's actually warmer than the liquid line. I think. They're both about the same temperature right now. I don't know, it hasn't turned on in a little bit. So, it hasn't turned on in a little while, so it's gotta get its refrigerants flowing. There's air leakage through here. I think it's making cool air. The plenum is cool to the touch. Let's check for my vents. Wish I had my temp gun. Otherwise I'd use it. It's blowing cool. Alright, we'll go ahead and do the shutdown. If I had my GoPro on me, I'd probably do a little bit of a different setup. Like the disconnect box setup. But I don't have my phone at the moment, and I have actually my Canon camera that I could have done the video with. But this phone's better quality anyways. That's what I believe. Samsung quality I really do like. Very classy. So, yeah. Actually, a little bit of a story behind the Goodman that you guys may have never known. That this thing was actually bought used. Back in 2014, it was installed. That replaced, God knows what, a 90s Bryant Carrier, 80s Carrier, who knows. I was here last. But this thing replaced it. If there even was a unit here. I believe there was. Not entirely sure, but This thing was actually put in 2014. It was bought used. That's why it's kind of dinky looking. The job here. But it's a decent job. Suction line's still not cold yet. But we'll let it run for a little while and it should get cold. I knew that was ripped. Suction line. So, there's the neighbor's Goodman. Ouch. Pine needles. And other stuff. Happy Father's Day to any father that is watching this. So, we'll go ahead and do the start. Goodness. Shutdown. I'm actually starting to believe that this was a warehouse find. That this thing was actually bought in a warehouse in 2011. It never got sold until 2014. I don't know. But, let's go ahead and shut it down now. And there you guys go. Shut down. We'll go ahead and go inside and wait for the air handler to shut off. It's about 30 seconds more. Oh, never mind. And there you go. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Always like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.